In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a door in AutoCAD 2025. Whether you're an AutoCAD beginner or just refreshing your 2D drawing skills, this easy step-by-step tutorial will help you draw and prepare a clean, professional-looking door for any floor plan you're working on. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and make sure your units are set correctly. Type units in the command line and press enter. Set your preferred unit type to centimeters so the dimensions match perfectly. This will help avoid any measurement issues later on. Now we'll create the main body of the door. Type L for the line command and hit enter. Click to start your first line, then type 90 and press enter. This will create a 90 cm wide door. Great. Now we'll add the thickness. Move your cursor perpendicular to that line and draw another line 5 centimeters thick. You can make sure your lines stay straight by pressing F8 to turn on ortho mode. This locks your cursor to perfectly horizontal or vertical directions. Once you've got those two lines, close the rectangle to form the door's main shape. Precision really matters here, so make sure all the corners connect neatly. Next, let's create the arc that represents the door swing. This shows how the door opens, which is a key detail in any floor plan. Type arc in the command line and press enter. From the options, choose start end radius. Click the two ends of the door width line as your start and end points, then enter 90 for the radius. You'll see a smooth curved line appear. That's your door swing. Nice and clean, right? Now that the door is drawn, it's a good idea to turn it into a block. This makes it reusable, so you can easily copy, rotate, or insert it anywhere in your drawing. Type block in the command line, press enter, and in the dialog box, give your block a name like door_90 cm. Select all the elements you just drew, the rectangle and the arc, then pick a base point, like the hinge corner of the door. Click OK and AutoCAD will save your door as a reusable block. You can even rotate it to match different orientations on your floor plan. It's super convenient, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've just created a clean, professional 2D door in AutoCAD 2025. With a bit of practice, you'll be placing and rotating doors across your floor plans like a pro. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy AutoCAD guides. Happy designing!